So my name is Megan Knudtson. I am currently a first year in the master's program here at UNI. I did my undergrad here and I loved it so much that I just had to apply. It's incredibly hands-on, it's incredibly clinical. You get so much practice in the classroom and in the field that you feel more than prepared for life outside of the classroom. A lot of the key domains of athletic training are really applied both in the classroom and in the clinical setting. A lot of them revolve around assessment and treatment, but we also do a lot of emergency care. We're prepped in CPR, spine boarding, oxygen administration, even medication administration, so you're so well-rounded. It's awesome. Learning about risk reduction is a huge aspect of what we do every single day. It's one of the first things that we learn when we come to the program because the best way to treat an injury is to prevent it in the first place. As long as we get to address those problems really early on as opposed to later down the road, it kind of builds our practice in a really unique way. Training for evaluation, assessment, and diagnosis is incredibly rigorous. You get so much practice time both in the classroom and in the clinics because we have wonderful preceptors who are willing to let our students get really hands-on, which makes that practice so much nicer. During the summer, we're here all day where we learn about a lot of different emergency scenarios and we practice them, and then we actually have an opportunity later in the fall to work with other healthcare professionals during what we call our emergency simulation, or our eSIM. And it's a true emergency situation. We get into the ambulance, we do all of the spine boarding and everything. So that practice makes all of us feel really prepared going into a real life emergency scenario. I love how much equipment we have available to us here at UNI. We have the HydroWorks pool, which we can get so many different athletes in. We have a lot of different high-tech equipment that we have, like eStim, therapeutic ultrasound, even laser, which a lot of places don't have. And then on top of that, we have something called blood flow restriction, or BFR, which is so wonderful to work with, especially low extremity athletes. But on top of that, we get really good training in the classroom on how to build functional rehab plans for those times that we may not have that equipment available. So that really holistic learning sense is just wonderful here at UNI. The culture of the master's program is so personal. You get one-on-one instruction from each of your professors. All of your classmates here are really wonderful. They love working with each other. We all have really good relationships. If you're interested in being an athletic trainer at all, I highly recommend checking out the University of Northern Iowa. Even just having a tour here will show you how awesome this place is and how wonderful all of our professors, students, and preceptors are.